What's up guys, your Bigly here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to drink water. Not this gulping down, but how to drink water to improve your health. We all know water is the elixir of life. 70% of the planet is water, 70% of this body is water, and a lot of water is present inside the body. If you need good flow of nutrients into the muscles or any part of the body, water is essential. To have a glowing skin, water is essential. To recover from your workout, water is essential, and so on. Without water, even your bowel movement cannot happen. So, I'll tell you how to maximize your health with water. Okay? The number one thing is how much water you need. You will see a lot of mathematical calculation telling that you need 6 glasses of water, 8 glasses of water. Let's not get into all these jargons. A simple way, water in, water out. If you're seeing too much color in your urine, that means your body is not getting enough water. And when you see that, start sipping water. Why do I say sipping water instead of drinking water? When you drink too much water in a single go, it doesn't count as what you require. When you drink too much water in a single go, it starts flushing out water and it takes only that which is required for the moment. So the best habit would be to keep a pair of bottles in front of you in your working station or in front of your workout station or in your bag, so that whenever you see it, you can take a sip so that your urine is never too much colored. Okay. The second important thing is this. Just water is not enough for your health. Without water, of course, any species cannot survive on this planet for 2 or 3 days. But plain water without electrolytes and minerals is not going to do it. If you see, there is a concept of water therapy where people go without any food or calories and drink just water for 3 to 7 days to rejuvenate and detox. Water on its own is the best detoxing agent as well. Your body requires electrolytes as important as your water. When you're in a place like Chennai, where the climatic condition is hot, hotter and hottest, there is no cold in between, you cannot skip sodium like the Westerners. Have you seen people, they wake up tired during the summer season? There is a simple remedy for this. There is something called as the pink rock salt or the Himalayan salt. 3 to 5 grams of it with 200 to 300 ml of water when you wake up can energize you tremendously. This not only is going to replenish the electrolyte balance, but the most important thing is your brain starts functioning well so that it signals the body to be active, and this could be an important factor in your workout and recovery as well. The second important electrolyte is going to be your potassium. When the day gets very hot, you start losing a lot of water from the body in form of sweat and other means. So potassium needs to be balanced in the blood. That's the reason why, our ancestors had the habit of having tender coconut water and included fruits that are rich in potassium. So during the hot part of the day, you need some potassium, and when you start the day, you need some sodium, especially if you are in a hot climatic condition. So during this summer, make sure you drink enough water and enough electrolytes through your food and other sources so that you can stay healthy, fit. This water and electrolyte components is not only important for your active brain, your muscle pump recovery, but electrolytes also play an important role in keeping your immunity up. So during the time of pandemic, make sure you drink enough water and take care of your electrolyte levels. Hope you enjoyed learning about how to keep your hydration levels high and how to drink water, when to drink water, and how to take your electrolytes. Please like the video, comment on the video about what you would like to see next in my video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and of course, press on the bell icon so that you can get notification about all my new videos. It's your Bigly, over and out.